So, today we are doing this chapter, which is the living room. So, first we will understand the furniture which is used in living room. Like there are different types of furniture, na? So, first is 3.6 meter by 3.6 meter, okay, and this is almost 1000 mm. So, while designing, like you always know that if you're designing for a family which is like 4 to 6 members, then you will not place this. You will place these types of one or two sofas. Okay, this is for like more people or where more gathering happens. Okay, same as this. Like this is also uh, a different type of sofa where this is a single space and these are divided, okay, and this is a very large sofa which has almost 6 and then 9 and 10 and 12, okay, so 12 seater, and here can be a TV unit so everyone can watch. So the dimensions for these are 2.2 by 3.4. Okay, so you should know all these sizes. I mean, like at least approx. You should know that how much size I need per person. Like per person, how much size do I need? Okay, so after that you will automatically find that like you can calculate if you know this, you can multiply it by 2 or 3, then you will get this. Okay, so ha, so that only is shown here. So a armchair, like the minimum, uh, a single unit is like 900 mm by 800 mm. So you should know these in feet inches also. Okay, so if we talk about this, this is almost 3 feet, and this is almost uh, like 2 feet 8 inches. Okay, so roughly around 3 by 3, but will not exactly say that it is a 3 by 3. Okay, so next is the table and different types of table, like coffee table, like rectangular, square, round, and coffee, whatever. So you can see the dimensions of these also, and obviously there is planters, table lamps, uh, curtains, lights. So these are also the units which are used in living room. So you should know the basics at least. Okay, so you can like pause or make a rough sketch, a quick sketch of these. Okay, okay. So when we design a living room, so we should plan the space. Like we need sitting also. We need the like the table, and we need a connection, and then a visual. Okay, so this is a three-seater plus three-seater plus a single seater, so almost seven-seater. Okay, so we should design the space so like it is functional and it is like interconnected also, like these three can easily do the conversation, and the space between them is also like not very minimal or like not congested. Okay, and from here it is a sliding door, so we can access. These are the storage units, and these are the photo frame. So this is a TV unit. Okay, uh, the size can be vary, of course. Okay, okay. So it's not necessary that in a living room there is always a TV unit. Sometimes we don't need the TV, and we can design it in a different way also. Okay, so you can read these and you can understand this because it doesn't have any very big complicated thing, so it's fine. So again, a single sitting like 900 by 800, 1000. So it varies because see, in market, if you will go in market, there are multiple brands, there are multiple manufacturer who does the uh, manufacturing of these furnitures. So they varies. Okay, so if you see the recliner, so when it is not reclined, the size of this is this. But when we do the recline, the back space extends, and the total space required for this is this. Okay. Okay. So you can also read these this. Okay, for a dining table. So a standard dining table is this. Let's assume that it is a 2.5 feet and this is a 5 feet. 5.5 feet usually. मतलब a minimum to minimum for a 6 seater sofa. Sorry, dining. Okay, so we need at least 2 feet and 1.5 feet, and same for this. See, at this side this is a wall, but at this side it's not necessary that there will be a wall or something. So if someone like see for this space, this user wants to go out. Okay, but if the people are eating here, and if someone else is like passing through, then they need at least 2 feet of space as a circulation space. Okay, so we need at least 2 feet, so we can move the chair outside and the person can sit here and they can eat. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so see, you can see the dining space. See, this is 2.5 feet. Like you can take 2.5 or yeah, around and around, and this is almost. Wait a second. Huh, this is almost. This is below 5 feet, but like see, you should take 5 feet because in this size, six sitting will not be very comfortable. Okay. Okay. So when using this table, we should know the anthro also, like how much the height of the table will be, and if someone is already using it, then what will happen? Like how much space is required, how much this height and this height will be. So we should all understand this. These all are anthro, and understanding the space within the furniture. Okay, so these are the layouts. Okay, So if my TV unit is here, and if this is the angle, everyone can watch, because see the view, the angle of viewing is this. This is comfortable. Like the most comfortable is this, but these can also see. If it is here, then it will be little difficult. Okay, you can see here. See, for this person, it is difficult to watch the TV. Okay, but like, see, it's not necessary that the person will definitely get a very good view, but at least it's in the vision. Okay, so that's how the layout works. Okay, so if there is a discussion, so see, this is one. We can place us three seaters of a hair also. We can hair also, but then it will be the spacing will be very congested. And the see, for this vision will be like little weird, and for this vision will be very weird. Like they can't focus. It will be a that na, like this. So like not a very focused conversation. So for this all can see each other. This. Okay. So this is also example. You can see this quickly. Just you have to observe, nothing very quick. You can see the like layouts. These you have to understand. Nothing big to explain. Okay. Okay. So in this, uh, this is saying that, see, when we are making a layout, we should not use multiple types of these carpets. We should use a single carpet. See, because if we are placing one carpet here, one carpet here, one carpet here, so it is individual units. These all are individual units. So this is like making us a negative space, na? Like not a good space here. Okay, wait. Huh. So if this is the space, and okay, wait. So if we are using this to, so this space is a little odd. See, you can see here, like they are sitting here, and this space will be like little odd actually. So you should consider a single carpet. Okay, okay. So you can study these also, like how to plan. These are some like color schemes and layouts. Nothing very different. Okay, you can just take like pause and take screenshot or whatever. Okay, so these are the styles. Okay, see, in modern and the like traditional, there is a difference now. Using of glass, using of the traditional doors, the workspace environment, everything. So this is minimalistic, this is industrial. Okay, so that's it. I'll just show the like more layouts. Okay, so next is kitchen. I'll try this tomorrow and provide you the video lecture. Okay. Okay. So thanks for watching, and we'll continue.